Second one.
Come back.
Because we
back.
missed
Come
2
back,
days.
come back. It's tomorrow. Hi.
So it is.
We're wearing the same clothes again. Shocking. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Merry
Vlogmas. Kai's giving Dad a bath.
He's a
Yes.
good boy.
Yes. He is clean, but no, he needed to be extra clean today.
Extra
So would you like calendars
Just
at
had
the
a
end?
Yeah. The good thing there's only 4 in the last one, isn't it?
Oh look, day 14.
Do you think it really is?
It has no other numbers on it. He's still sticking his nose in. He's like, where's my stuff? Where's your stuff?
Oh, there are 4 more dark ones.
Oh,
that's good.
Can you help
Can you get one
yourself?
with a licky tongue?
He said no.
No.
No, I wish to be hand fed.
There.
I wish to be hand fed.
There.
Is that delicious? Oh no.
Oh,
he
they're not
spat
the
it
bad
out.
ones.
No, they're different bad ones.
Oh,
Oh, Kai, that's so sad.
Oh, sweetheart.
He's like, no, I know I can smell delicious things. Absolutely not
Reject.
human. Absolutely not.
Reject.
It's like I can smell that there's other delicious things in here. I wish for those. I'm so sorry, baby.
good boy.
I'm so sorry.
No.
He backed
Isn't that
away.
weird?
I mean, you are a fussy little creature, aren't you? Dad's on clean-up duty again.
He's not enamoured with that one, is he?
No, he doesn't like those ones.
He won't eat any vegetables. Not like Susie at all, are you?
You won't have to worry about harvesting your vegetables.
No,
the
no.
dog helping herself out of your trug as you go.
Yeah.
I think I've told this story many times, but we had the veg garden out the back here the first year that we moved in, and Mum was harvesting her peas and her tomatoes, and she was putting them all in the trug, and she was just walking along the line and moving the trug as she went, and the dog had her face in and was eating everything and was just excited about the fact that, oh look, it keeps refilling itself.
I'll be back in a minute.
Susie thought it was a great game, didn't she?
She did, yes.
Yeah.
It's my turn, and I haven't opened this one. I didn't have hot chocolate yesterday.
Oh,
I know, and
that's
I
sad.
am sad about this. Day 14. Gotta fight my way in.
This isn't for you, I'm sorry.
Oh, this is going to be interesting because I do like this one. Hot drinking chocolate with chili.
Oh.
Yeah. I know Dad likes this one, so it's a little sad that we don't have 2 today because he would very much enjoy this. But no, we don't have it. It is incredibly bright up here, and I'm currently fighting with the very beautiful and large Maximus for space on my chair. My chair is Dad's chair, but I have my hot chocolate. And I do really like this one. It's a very subtle flavour. It's not one that I would order on repeat because it's not my absolute favourite, and it has more of an aftertaste. There's definitely the chili kick afterwards, but I do like this. I will drink it. It will be very nice. And I didn't have my hot chocolate yesterday and I missed it. So I'm very happy that I've got one today. What are your plans for today? You've got
I've
Marion
got a lovely
coming
lady coming who's learning quilting. Today we're making a stargazer design. Star maker, I beg its pardon.
I will link to the video that goes along with this. I love Kay Wood. She's brilliant.
She's very good. And we're making covers for her sewing machines. And she's done all the blocks, but now I've got to show her how to put them together so that she gets the shape that we've cut a pattern for her for her sewing machine, so we know exactly the sizes and everything. Now we just got to put it together. He was trying to eat today's clues for Dad's calendar, which would have been a disaster. So I've got a lot of editing to do, and as I mentioned, I've given up on the swear editing job. I just owe it all of the money that there ever is. So yeah, I'm just funding my Christmas present to myself. I'm doing that thing where I don't have a partner, so I am taking the money that I would have spent buying my partner a present, and I'm spending it on myself. Oh,
yes. I mean, not
not
that.
us.
I'm making you Christmas presents.
I'm waiting for my birthday present.
I'm making you a birthday and Christmas present. 2 separate things.
Oh,
I know.
Ooh.
Hello.
Shit. Hello. So, do you want to take your creature,
I don't mind.
or do you want him to put him on the floor? He was trying to eat your instructions, Dad.
Was he?
Yeah.
He was.
You don't want him to say hello? No, you've got a hello.
I've done that.
Very Vlogmas.
Yes.
I think I did that.
Oh,
Oh, Did we do that? Yes, we
Anyway,
did.
yes.
The second time.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Have another
we
cup of
did.
tea, darling. You'll be all right.
My brain hurts.
Yes.
Oh, you didn't see, Dad. My hot chocolate of the day.
Oh, yeah, try that.
I
knew
only
you
get
would.
a sip.
I knew
Yes,
it.
yes. Anyway,
Sorry,
Klaus grins at you.
he does.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Marion.
I told you that space jump would help us to catch up. Then he points diagonally upwards. That's the space parking lot. He's flying steeply towards it when suddenly, out of nowhere, rope ladders are lowered in front of your windshield.
We have an audience.
A burly man in a uniform appears next to the spaceship. Stop immediately, he barks. We have received a report that this spacecraft may not be in compliance with safety regulations.
I mean, that does not shock me. Oh.
We shall need to investigate further until we get a pass from the lab. You are prohibited from any further space travel. You and Klaus shout. However, the safety guy just raises his index finger. That's that one. In reprimand, safety is of the utmost importance. Then he points to the rope ladders. If you really want to continue on your journey, then go on foot and use the sky ladders. Just make sure.
Hang on one second. Sorry, Dad. Carry on.
Mid-performance.
I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Where were you?
I've no idea. If you really want to continue, use the sky ladders. Just make sure you climb the right way, otherwise you may end up elsewhere.
Oh dear.
And elsewhere is a pretty dark planet.
Oh dear.
You don't want to go there.
Oh dear.
Believe
These ones
me.
have all got little arrows on the outside.
Oh,
I've
right.
noticed. Okay.
Okay. Completely astonished, you get out of the spaceship with Klaus and watch as the man speeds away. I want to know who ratted us out, says Klaus, rubbing his unshaven chin.
Yeah, we used his razor the other day.
Ah.
No, for the mechanical repairs to them.
Here, take a look. This will definitely give you a better idea of which rope ladder we need to use. Right.
Do we have to tear this out? It does say at the top to carefully tear out the calendar sheet before reading.
Yeah.
Instructions.
Every time.
Every time. So here we go. Here is, they've got numbers across there, and then telescope, not visible,
Okay.
and
14.
14, door 14 there.
Oh, it's got the opening in a different place.
Oh, it has. Oh, there's a rope ladder with an up. Oh, there's a rope ladder. Okay, there's many rope ladders.
Okay.
Okay. Oh gosh, they're all over the place. And then there's little doodads with arrows on the outside as well.
Okay. We're supposed to. Oh, look. This is the telescope.
What have you got there?
It's a paper clip.
Oh.
2 paper clips. Oh, we need that to make the telescope.
Oh, I see.
Oh, there's a riddle as well. Twist the telescope 3 times. Use each letter you find. I know you like a riddle card, so finding letters won't be hard. Oh, okay. Yeah, now what?
I've no idea.
Get a puzzle advent calendar, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, I need help. So you got to put things in it, and then you got to turn the damn thing over. OTE.
Yeah.
Well, that's wrong.
But you've got to do it the other way around.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
why we're
not
having
surprised.
problems.
I didn't do that the first time, did I?
No, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Did you?
Yes.
So it was my fault.
Too many cooks.
Always a problem.
Yeah.
You go round in circles.
I don't know.
Okay, so that took a lot of work.
310. Okay.
I mean, of course, that one took the longest when we have an audience. I'm so sorry.
That's your excuse.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for stealing the sewing room for this long. So, what are you up to today?
I'm going into town very quickly.
Uh-huh.
I don't know then. Other things.
Other things.
Yep.
I am going to be editing, and then I'll be down here later. I've got some hand sewing to do, and
Okay.
Mum is clearly helping Marion with her quilt covers that we talked about earlier.
So-
So thank you very much for day
Onward,
14
onward.
in our brand new outfits,
Doesn't matter.
and we will see you all tomorrow for more calendars.
Bye.
Bye.